Hey guys, today's January the 10th of 2023, and I want to go over the US dollar without any further delay. Let's get into it. Well, I got stopped out yesterday. I had my low right below on the 1230 low, and I was assuming that this was going to be a swing low and that we were going to probably trend higher or at least, do a wave, but that didn't play out. So got stopped out. Sometimes you catch some good ones and sometimes you don't. The important thing is, to when you're wrong, get out and reassess and then get back in the game. So we got this nice long consolidation pattern in within the demand zone. And I was assuming we were going to go higher here, but that didn't play out. It looks like we're going to about to have a MACD crossover. You can see some weakness. A report came out Friday and tanked the dollar. So that's that. On my mind mapping, this is pretty much where my thoughts are and seeing the big picture of things and just building this up. And using an Elliott Wave theory, that September 28 high, that's a wave 5 on the monthly. On the weekly chart, that was a wave 3, that September 28 high. And then we're working on a wave 4, and we're up to the C correction. So this is what I was kind of waiting for to play out, this wave 4, if this is going to, be, correct. On the daily, that September 28th high is a wave 5, and we're working on a wave 3. So on the daily, we're on a 3, and we could still be on a 3, working to do a wave 4 to the upside. But the the weekly chart, the wave 4 C correction, that's I was waiting for these two because these two were going to turn bullish, but the timing was wrong, so that didn't play out. In regards to the commitment traders report, the trend is still up on the dollar, so it's still positive. It just has a minor correction. And in regards to seasonality, January 12th and February 1st, possible swing lows using the 5 and 10 and 15-year average. So that's coming up, the 12th. So keep an eye on that and see how that's going to play out. Now let's go to the master chart, and this is what I wanted to show you. I created my scaled dollar chart, and I'm just narrowing down this area because this is what I call like the battle zone right here, from this low 2021 all the way to this high, which is September 28th around 14. And this is close. This is not even, the actual, these are the closes. So this is cash, what they call it. Using the Gann fan at the 45 degree, true 45 degree, you can see that right now, 1 by 1, 1 by 2. Right now, as of today, 1 by 3. It's finding support. Will it hold? We'll see. If it doesn't hold, then you're going to go to the 1 by 4. But so far, this is holding. We go from the top at 45 degree. You're at the 1 by 2, kind of holding there. Let's see how that plays out. So I went ahead and did another Gann just in case this one is not the one and it's oscillating on this swing low. You can see that it's way from support. Could continue falling, and this could be either, a wave 4 or still working on a wave 3. In regards to Gann square, I squared it from here, this high. You can see that we couldn't close. We were very close of closing above the 105.20, but failed. Now, in regards to the 1/8, you can see that that's the 12th, January 12th, that line right there. So that's coming up. But if it's going to push lower, your next support will be that 101.97. I think that's the 50% on the Fibonacci. Yep, and here is another one from this low here. I just wanted to see if this is not it and this is it. And you can see that there's a timing point coming in right now, the 10th, which is today, and then the 29th. And there's support at 102.19, squaring the range. So those are the two things I'm seeing here. I went ahead and did the pitchfork and adjusted this. I did it in inverse. You can see that we found resistance right up there and then dropped. I found that interesting. And did the pitchfork from right here. And you can see that we were hovering around the 50%. And if we're going to continue pushing lower, anywhere between 107, 178, around there, 102 could be possible support. Fibonacci, the 50%, 101.99. That's right there. If it's going to, return to the mean, that's would be the center of gravity. And interesting, I did the ellipse, score it out, and you can see that right here on the 6th, it got this big peak right here. And there's a couple of coming up here in the future. So, but interesting that in hindsight, looking at that, it lined up here. From right here, I found this low, nice little swing up. Just by back testing it, you got an explosion of volatility kicking up. Those are a couple of things I'm watching. So I'm on the sidelines right now, just seeing what's going to play out, but just keeping track of the dollar. And the trade probably was to go long gold and all that, but I thought the dollar was going to turn. It was going to put pressure on gold. So kudos if you're long the metals and the currencies. But let's see how the dollar is going to hold off of this 1x3 right here. It'll probably oscillate, but if this holds and it kind of consolidates and then just finds support, that could be a turning point. And if it doesn't, it's probably going to go to the center of gravity, maybe go back to the 50, and maybe can even push lower, 98. I don't know if it's going to go all the way down there, but definitely could even get to 101.99. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the dollar using Gann techniques, cycles, Elliott Wave.